Dude, I want to play so bad, bro. I want to play Left 4 Dead. When Gillis gets back, we'll play. So like low-key don't want to play quantum processing anymore. It was really boring and I keep dying to choke points.
The VEP indicates slowing of the brain. If it is, gone from 0 to 60 in 3 weeks, which would indicate rapidly progressive MS. Not the fun MS, balloons, bike rides, wheelchairs. Start treating it now. About a couple of years, maybe live for another 5. Break into the family I'm working on. It'll take months for a definitive diagnosis. What'll happen to me? MS is an incredibly variable disease. If it is MS, and we're not 100% sure, what do you think is going to happen? There are some medications to manage this. As the disease progresses, the symptoms become more severe. Bowel and bladder dysfunction, loss of cognitive function, pain, the brain's like a big jump. MS strips them of the insulation and burns it up. I started treatment as long as possible.
Oh my god. Oh god.
Did you beat it?
This level is so boring, dude. Wow.
What level was it?
Quantum processing. It's so boring. Like, it was kind of fun for like the first few practice runs, but it's a boring ass level.